know what they...
Oh my word! Tell me what's your flavor.
Hi guys, so today we are going to be trying all different types of sroczki. Sroczki are small cottage cheese bites with different flavor. When I was growing up, we only had one flavor, which was vanilla. And now the shops literally do any flavor you want. Me and Inga picked up all the flavors there are. I think we literally picked up all of them. And we're gonna try each one and tell you how they taste and if they're close to what they claim to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi guys, I'm here with my sister.
Looks so formal. I'm
Yes.
about to go somewhere. This is Alice's birthday, by the way. I don't usually dress this way.
Yeah, we're celebrating later today. As you've seen our previous video, which I posted a few days ago on our Latvian food haul, we picked up literally, how many flavors is it?
I don't know, you did the counting.
I don't know, I think it's a lot
10?
of flavors. 10 or 12 flavors of
I
sroczki.
just know it.
Or Sierini in Latvian. So we're gonna try them all now and yeah, see how they actually taste and if they actually represent the flavor of what it is. So the first one Inga picked is the vanilla ice cream. So just to show you those, for those who don't know what they... Wait, 5 second rule, 5 second rule, 5 second rule. It's right,
Saved it.
we saved it. I was just gonna show you, for those who don't know, this is how it looks. It's basically mini cottage cheese bite covered in chocolate, and usually you can infuse it with different flavors. So it's made with 100% cottage cheese, sugar, and other bits. So in American or English, you would call this cheesecake. So these are mini cheesecake bites. Okay.
There you go.
All right. It's very, very soft. So this is vanilla ice cream flavor. What do you think?
It tastes like the original.
I mean, it tastes really good.
But it tastes exactly like the original one.
It tastes like the original flavor, yeah. Oh, it's got a bit of that vanilla essence in there. It's not bad.
It's gonna be really hard not to eat these before dinner.
Yeah, we actually have a full dinner later on.
I have like a 3-course dinner. And we're eating about 10 of these before dinner.
This is usually...
Dessert before dinner though, dessert.
So usually you'd have one of these, or two. I sometimes even had 3 back in the day.
I might as well just finish it, you know.
Alright, finish them. I'm gonna pick the next flavor. So, caramel. Ooh, look at that. It's got caramel coating on top. Look at that. So it's got the... Oh, it smells nice. It smells like caramel. Alright, let's do this. Nothing inside. It's still white. It's just got the caramel coating around it.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the caramel in this one.
Definitely, yeah. And caramel is like very subtle. It's not too sweet either, which I really like about them. Don't finish it all.
I mean, I'm just gonna eat them all, aren't I? Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe we should do like a mystery flavor. I pick one, you don't know which I pick.
Okay, fine, do it. I'll
Just close your eyes.
Okay, I'll close my eyes. Mystery flavor, what? And then you're gonna give me...
Well, you're just gonna have to guess what it is, yeah.
Alright, hopefully my taste buds are great, so I'll be able to guess it. Easy job. Alright, I'm not looking. Alright.
Okay, try.
Are you just...
Okay, you can open your eyes now, I think.
Oh, it's my...
There you go.
It's my favorite flavor. It's chocolate potato. Is it chocolate potato?
Not at all! It is the honey cake, which you are very familiar with.
Oh my god, well, it's still my favorite. Like, I love honey cake. That tastes pretty
Chocolate
good.
potato honey cake. A little bit
I wouldn't
forward.
say it tastes like honey cake, but it tastes like chocolate potato that I really, really like. So, this is honey cake. You know, for those of you who don't know, honey
I
cake
really
is...
don't like this.
Really? You don't like it? I mean, I like it.
It has like a really strong honey after like smell taste, which I don't like.
Inga doesn't really like honey, to be honest, so...
I do like honey cake, but that, no, it's a no from me.
I think I like this one, but if you're expecting, like, if you've ever tried honey cake, definitely not a honey cake flavor. Like, for me, you need to have some, like, crumbs around it, maybe, like, crumb coated with, like, the honey cake crumbs. All right, close your eyes now. I'll do this one.
Pick a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, my taste buds are so bad in comparison to yours. Although, as we've just seen, yours haven't been that great.
Hopefully tried one flavor. Alright.
What is that?
Go for it. What do you think?
What are the things? What are the things inside? It's like raisins. I didn't like that.
It's jelly bits.
Oh my, what is that? That is disgusting.
You know what? I usually like the jelly bits, but it's really not my cup of tea. It's very like, it's very stodgy. Oh my god, I was like, that was so funny.
Let's take something a bit more refreshing, like
Mango.
like mango.
All right.
Take us back to Thailand.
Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna have the natural mango flavoring in there. Ooh, nice and yellow, guys.
Smells really nice.
Yeah, put it on. Just want to show you the color. I really like how they're trying to. That's really yellow, isn't it? Okay. Let's give this a go. Again, it's just the coating around, and the filling is always the same, I would imagine.
Oh, yeah, wow. That's really good.
Oh wow. Wow.
This is really good.
Don't eat it all. Guys, also let us know at the end which flavor would you really want to try. And if you're based in London, the top comment that gets the most likes, I will bring you this to London. I promise you. So, did you just finish all of
That's
it?
really good.
Well, mango cheesecake, you know, to be honest, it's really hard to get mango flavor in there. So, that was pretty good. Should we go for coconut? Coconut
mango.
Coconut, I love coconutty things in general.
You think this is going to be too coconutty?
It could be. What if it's got coconut shreds inside?
Oh, that's great.
I can't do it with one hand. Hang on, hold my fork. As long as we don't drop any more.
Well, that's the first one.
Oh, that's just the packaging. Okay, so it's got...
Packaging could be a little bit more, you know, a little bit more practical, I would say.
So it's got just chocolate around it. I was kind of hoping they would have coconut shreds around it, but it's just got the coconut. Let's see. Okay.
I think the coconut is inside.
Is it inside?
Yeah, I like this one.
You can't really see that it's inside, but I'm sure it's like mixed in.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Have you never tried them?
That is amazing.
I feel like I've tried it before.
It tastes like Bounty with cheesecake. It literally tastes like Bounty because you've got the chocolate, you've got the cheesecake, and you get that crunchy or coconutty flavor inside.
Nuts.
Hazelnuts. Yeah, I love hazelnuts. Okay.
I'm actually quite full already.
Me too. Okay, so the same thing. It just has the coating. Oh, actually, it has some nuts in there. I think it's on top.
It's inside.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh wow. Really strong hazelnut flavor.
Yeah.
And actual hazelnuts in there on the top. Hidden away. Wow.
Yeah.
I'll just take one more little bite. Oh wow.
I don't know.
You're not feeling it?
I don't know, it's quite heavy. Or maybe I'm just getting, you know,
We're definitely getting full.
getting full of the cheese.
We've had a lot already. Like I said, you usually just have one or two, like raisins. Oh my god, I love raisins.
I'm not sure about this one.
Inga hates raisins.
I love, that's the thing, like, I'm sure some of you do that as well. Like, I love grapes, but I just don't like raisins, you know?
Literally, she picks them out. Like, if I make something with raisins or we buy something with raisins, she literally picks them.
I can have vanilla ice cream with raisins. That's about it.
That's so weird though. It's the same thing. This is basically vanilla.
No bread with raisins, no.
Okay, so I think the raisins, again, they do look very similar. Like, if you would have put them on a plate, you wouldn't be able to tell.
That's what we should have done. We should have just laid them all out and then...
No, you know what? It's not a lot of raisins in there. It's like, I think I had 1 or 2.
I think because this is original, I really like it.
I like that. It's very light. I would prefer to have a lot more raisins in there. I just want to show you. That's
no enough.
Yeah,
raisins.
so it's really not enough raisins. Definitely should put more raisins for people like me who love raisins. Okay, let's do chocolate.
Let's do this. What is this?
Yeah, I already mentioned.
With chocolate pieces.
If you're a fan of chocolate, I'm guessing you would love this one. I'm expecting it to be chocolate inside, but I don't know. It might be still white inside. We shall see. Oh. Yes, it is. Oh my god, look at that.
It's very chocolatey.
Chocolatey and chocolate. I can't show it. Wait. Oh, there. It's chocolate and chocolate inside. And it's got chocolate pieces in there. Oh wow. Ooh.
But
you know what? If you love chocolate, you're gonna love this one. It's like very chocolatey. You can see the little bits and pieces of chocolates in there. No, I like it. It's definitely more than raisins, you know?
yeah, for sure.
It's weird, right? Raisins are definitely cheaper than chocolate, so they shouldn't skim the raisin parts. Lemon?
Okay, let's do lemon.
We're gonna do the lemon.
Refresh.
You know what? I never used to like lemon desserts, and then since I started obviously baking a lot, I enjoy like the lemon tarts, lemon meringue pies. Oh, I like the color. I think it's the same color as the mango one.
Yeah, it looks quite similar.
Ah, it's so pretty. Did you just
No.
Unbelievable. Right, so again, I think it's just has the lemon coating around. Okay, lemon cheesecake.
Better be strong.
Oh, wow. I'm not sure it's for me. Ooh.
I quite like it. I think I just like plain, smooth coating.
It's got, you know what, I wouldn't say that the lemon actually comes through quite nicely. It's quite lemony. It doesn't taste fake either, which a lot of lemon desserts do. But it's just not my thing, you know. I don't know, just lemon stuff. I like lemon tart, I guess, but apart from that. I was gonna say, jeez. So this is the most famous cookie dessert. The one that we had with Granddad the other day.
Oh, I didn't eat it. I didn't have it. I had 2 eclairs instead.
Yeah, she had eclair and didn't even tell me that she had
the double eclair. Yeah.
Okay. So this should be interesting because the actual dessert has a lot of cookies and it's quite storagey, and it's got cookies and chocolate and caramel. Ooh. Oh, the color inside is not chocolate and it's not white. It's the caramel color, you know, replicating the dessert.
Also, I guess it's like, it depends how, because you keep these in the fridge, right? So you can take them out of the fridge and eat them right away, and they're quite cold.
I like that one. You know what? It surprised me. What did you think? No?
No. I don't like the texture in this.
It's the same texture as before. I think they added cookies in there.
No.
No,
it's not as smooth as the original.
Yeah, because it's got cookies in there. Yeah, it's good. I like that one. Yeah, so they should add bits of cookies in there because I think that would make it like really good. This is my favorite. So chocolate potato is my childhood dessert, and I do have it on my channel, and now it's in the form of a cheesecake. I've literally had like 3 or 4 of them.
Oh wow.
And then, oh wow. Oh, you can smell the rum straight away. Look at that, how chocolatey, double chocolate.
There's rum in this?
I think so, yeah, because this chocolate potato is made with rum. Maybe they don't put like rum in there for kids, but... Oh, wow. Definitely rum in there.
What do you mean? What about kids eat these?
I don't know, maybe it's for adults only. It's very, very rich.
Very rich, different texture. If you had to pick your top 3, what would
I think
it be?
if I'm really going by the flavors, it's definitely hazelnut, coconut, mango. Yeah.
But what are your favorite three? Not the
They
flavors.
would be. Now I have top 5. So mango, you know, hazelnut, coconut.
I thought you really liked all your chocolatey ones.
Yeah, and the chocolate potato and the other one. I like them all, to be honest, apart from the lemon. Lemon, yeah. What are yours?
Definitely mango. And I would say coconut. And
We forgot what we ate, apparently. One.
what was the worst one?
Lemon.
No, lemon was...
Oh no, the one with the bits. Even I didn't like that one.
Oh, the marmalade. Oh,
The marmalade bits.
No, yeah,
No.
that was nasty.
Okay, the last one, guys, the original.
Can't beat the original. What's some bits in there?
So if you've never ever tried cottage cheese cheesecake bites, I would suggest you try the original because it really tastes like a vanilla cheesecake with really delicious chocolate coating. So guys, let us know which flavors would you want to try. And if you agree with statements, if you like jelly bits, if you like coconut, what's your favorite flavor?
What's your flavor?
What's your
Tell me.
flavor?
What's your flavor?
Leave the comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want us to try any other Latvian sweets or desserts. Oh, in fact,
Do we have an episode coming up?
We do.
We have an episode coming. What is this? I'm not even this.
Inga's getting onto my channel. No, actually, I completely forgot. Yeah, so next video we are going to be trying vegan and vegetarian cakes that were made in Latvia.
Oh,
Really traditional flavors, honey cake and
Very excited
chocolate
about this.
cookie cake. Amazing, right?
Very excited.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Just to
You
plug
know,
in.
to do all the standard
Shameless plug-in.
things and let me know what flavor of sirotki I should recreate on my channel. If you guys missed any flavors and you live in Latvia and you obviously speak English, then do let us know if we missed any flavors. Bye!
Bye.